Oh.
Hi, my name is Kailen, and I once went to China before, but then I'm back. So I'm gonna do a science experiment. It's called Volcano Eruption. And you will need some baking soda, some soap, and vinegar.
Is that
you need 100 ml of vinegar in a cup. Yes. And before we make any science experiment, make sure to hit that bell, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what science experiment you want us to do next. Okay, first we'll need to put 3 spoons of baking soda into our glass, and you will also need a spoon and a glass cup. I forgot about that. So you will need 3 spoons of baking soda. Pour them all into the glass cup, or you could use plastic cup as well. So, no. I'm just going to open this baking soda up a bit more. There's not too much baking soda left. So, yeah, we're just going to tip it in. I don't know, just 3 spoons. 3 spoons would do. I'll just do a bit more. Didn't get a full spoon. Just Okay, we'll just tip a bit in. Enough? Yeah. Okay, now we do one squirt of soap. That should do it. And then we're gonna pour some vinegar in. And there we go. A volcano eruption. We got our own volcano eruption. And if you want to change the color, you can just add some food coloring in if you want to change the color.
I want to change the color.
Our very bubbly volcano eruption. Bye.